Hi. So in any language, you want to be able to properly say, I am doing this, you are doing this, he or she is doing that. Okay? And then there's also the plural side to this, where you say, we are doing this, you guys are doing this, and they are doing that. So in Ndebele, it's also very important to know how to properly say this. Okay, so in this lesson, let me teach you how to say I, you, he or him. Let's use a few different verbs and let me show you how it's said. So if you wanted to say, for example, I am happy, let's use the verb to be happy, which is ukuthaba, to be happy. Okay, mina ngithabile, mina ngithabile, I am happy. Wena uthabile, you are happy. Wena uthabile, yena uthabile, she is happy or he is happy. Okay, so that's how we say it in Ndebele. It's always mina ngi, wena u, yena u. Okay, there's a small variation as we progress with the verbs. I want you to be able to capture it. So let's do the opposite of happy. Mina ngizondile, I am angry. Mina ngizondile, wena uzondile, you are angry. Yena uzondile. All right. Now, let's describe something like height. You want to say, I'm short, you are short, he is short. So this is how you say it. Mina ngimfitshane, mina ngimfitshane. Okay? Wena umfitshane, you are short. Yena mfitshane. So when it comes to such verbs, you drop the u when you're now talking about the third person. You say yena mfitshane. Okay? Whether it's a she or he. For example, uSipho mfitshane. Sipho being a guy. Okay? And then uNomsa mfitshane. It's also Nomsa is a lady, and we say it that way. Right? So the opposite, you want to say I'm tall, you are tall, he or she is tall. Okay? Mina ngimude. Mina ngimude. Okay? And how are you going to say it for wena? Wena umude, isn't it? Lastly, yena mude. All right? Yena mude. So you need to be exposed to more and more verbs to know when you drop the u for the third person, for yena. All right? So as we do more and more lessons, you are going to keep picking this, keep noticing this, and keep constructing sentences using mina, wena, and yena. Okay, so in another lesson, I'll teach you how to say we, you, they. All right. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.